Welcome back to Old Studio Car, your destination for timeless classics and the stories behind them. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic American cars of the 1950s, the 1955 Ford Thunderbird. This car wasn't just another release, it was Ford's bold response to the Chevrolet Corvette and a statement that America could do luxury and performance in the same package. Let's start by talking about the design, the first thing that catches anyone's eye. The 1955 Thunderbird features an unmistakable blend of elegance and muscle. The exterior styling is clean, with sweeping lines, subtle chrome detailing, and that wide egg crate grille that screams 1950s Americana. The round headlights, dual exhausts integrated into the rear bumper, and the faux hood scoop all contribute to a design that feels both sporty and sophisticated. The car was offered as a two-seater convertible, and the hardtop version had that signature porthole window added later for better visibility. A feature that would go on to define the Thunderbird's image. In terms of updates, several modern restoration shops have begun offering restomods of the 1955 Thunderbird. While the original body remains untouched for authenticity, modern versions might include LED lighting that respects the vintage style but improves nighttime visibility. A few updates in the finish, like contemporary metallic paints or a ceramic clear coat, bring an ultra-glossy look that wasn't available back then but gives the car a show-ready presence today. Color options like Torch Red, Raven Black, and Thunderbird Blue have been retained and are more vibrant thanks to improved paint technology. Now, moving on to performance. Under the hood, the 1955 Thunderbird came with a 292 cubic inch Y-block V8 engine, producing about 193 horsepower. That might not sound like a lot by modern standards, but for the mid-1950s, it was a strong performer, especially in a car that was this stylish and lightweight. It was paired with either a 3-speed manual transmission or a Ford-O-Matic automatic, giving drivers flexibility and a smooth ride. When you press the accelerator, the V8 rumbles to life with a sound that's raw and satisfying. The power delivery is linear, and though it's not a sports car by today's metrics, it offered quick acceleration for its time. The 0 to 60 miles per hour time is roughly 11 seconds, and the top speed was around 115 miles per hour, which was impressive for a personal luxury car in the mid-50s. What makes this even more special is that Ford never marketed the Thunderbird as a sports car, it was always about the experience, not just the numbers. Fuel economy wasn't a big priority in the 1950s, and the Thunderbird reflects that. The original models get around 14 to 16 miles per gallon, depending on how you drive. With today's fuel prices and environmental concerns, that may not sound ideal, but for classic car enthusiasts, it's part of the charm. Modern upgrades like fuel injection conversions can slightly improve